Hi everyone, I'm Celine Bautista Hernandez, your Miss Teen Hope International 2018 and your Miss Progress 2023, and now a business owner. Siguro yung passion ko sa beauty and wellness. I've always been conscious about my hair, nails, lashes. So ayun, and naisip ko, why not turn it into a beauty na pwedeng makapag-inspire sa ibang tao. And at the same time, makapag-ano ng confidence, makapag-improve. Yung concept namin is beauty lounge talaga. And we offer hair services, nails, lashes, and spa. Siguro the environment itself, kasi I've been to different salons before, and masasabi ko na yung akin, unique talaga kasi while you pamper yourself, talaga marerelax ka. And yun yung main goal ko sa business na to.
In the near future, sasama mo ba siya ng massage parlor or
Yes po, actually, I'm planning to magdagdag ng spa, ng massage and gluta. But for now kasi hindi pa siya kaya ng space ko. So maybe kapag nakapag-branch out na, hopefully soon. Pero as a beauty queen, alam ko yung mga beauty needs natin eh. And sa tingin ko, malaking advantage yun sa akin kasi alam ko kung ano dapat improve. Kunwari, as a girl, beauty queen, alam ko kung ano yung gusto kong i-improve sa sarili ko. Especially, maybe physically. Siguro, before ko itayo yung business, sobrang daming pumapasok sa utak ko. Like, every night, umiiyak ako. Di ko alam kung um, magiging successful ba tong business na to since wala pa akong experience sa pagtatayo ng business and fresh graduate lang ako that time. So ngayon, nakikita ko, okay naman na yung nagiging flow ng business and hopefully magtuloy-tuloy. Kasi I grew up in Kalumpit eh. So, mahal ko yung bayan ko and tinayo ko talaga siya in front of uh, my school when I was high school. Ginagamit ko yung salon ko para ma-empower yung women. Especially kasi gusto ko mas tumaas pa yung confidence nila. Kasi alam ko lahat ng beauty needs magiging stage yun eh para mas lalo tayo maging confident. Siguro ang pinaka natutunan ko bilang Miss Progress Philippines, maging strong. Kasi before ako sumali sa Miss Progress, sobrang takot akong matalo. Pero habang nandun ako sa Italy, lumalaban, naisip ko na hindi lang about sa crown, about siya kung paano ka magiging matatag. So, ayan, yung message ka sa next Miss Progress Philippines, ibigay mo lang yung best mo, mag-enjoy ka, don't pressure yourself, kasi kung para sa'yo yung crown, para sa'yo talaga. Good luck! Everyone, please come and visit Celine Beauty Lounge located in Kalumpit, Bulacan, or maybe you can search us on Waze or Google Maps. Just type Celine Beauty Lounge and makikita nyo na yung directions to our door. And please do like our page and Instagram, Celine Beauty Lounge.